Good morning to one and all. My name is Vai Gautami and I am working as a marketing lecturer in Sri Vivekananda Degree College. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is, so what are the different strategies to set the price? Because of the reason every product maybe don't have a similar price and every company also maybe never similar price maintain in the society. Because of the reason every person maybe have different strategy. The strategy means plan of success. The plan of success, every company may be different ways to maintain. The company, when they want to decide the price, at the time it may be follow some of the strategies. The first pricing strategy is odd price. The odd price means the company firm may be decided the price not a round figurely. It may be decided the price like example. The shirt price is 499 rupees point 75 paisa, or they may be decided like 699.76 paisa. So they may be, for the product price is 450 rupees and 700 rupees, but they are decided the price like this manner. So those are the examples for odd price. The odd pricing, why they decided means to reduce the trade barriers. So when we want to reduce the tax at the time, they maybe shows the low level of returns of the price of the product. So that's why the first price strategy is odd price. And the second price strategy is psychological pricing. The psychological pricing means, so what are the daily use of the product like shampoo, soap, powder. These type of products may be decided to round figurely. So example, shampoo price 1 rupee, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So these like of the examples for the psychological pricing. So we decided the price for the round figure manner. And the third one is customer expectation pricing. The customer expectation pricing means the customer may be expected price level is very less level. So that's why we need to bargaining more and more to the producer or sellers. So that's why we decided the company price may be 500. For the actual price is 300 to 350 rupees. So why they mentioned 500 on the packet price means, so every customer compulsory to bargain the products. So at the time they never come to loss of company. So that's why they mentioned in highest price like customer expectation pricing, because of the reason for bargaining pricing. Bargaining price to the customer. And the next point is geographical pricing. The geographical pricing means the price may be different from one place to another place. For example, the south zone have one price and the north zone have some price and east or west. So every zone may be have different prices. So these are geographical pricing. So when the area is changed, automatically price also differentiated. So why it is differentiated means, so once one product transfer from one place to another place, at the time it may be added to some of the charges, customs duty charges, excise duty charges, transportation charges, labor charges, that may be increases. So that's why geographical pricing. And fifth one, dual pricing. Dual pricing. The dual pricing sense, the seller may be sell the same product in dual prices. For example, one customer ask 10 rupees, we can sell, and another customer ask maybe 8 rupees, at the time also we can sell. Like same product, maybe the customer may be purchase different price in different places. That price is dual pricing. For example, the shirt price A and B and two partners, two are different persons. The A purchased shirt 350 rupees and B purchased same shirt 300 rupees. The gap 50 rupees is the dual pricing. So why it is a dual means similar product is similar, but the price is different for different customers. So that is a dual pricing. And the next one is zonal pricing. Zonal pricing. The zonal pricing sense area based pricing. The same product may be in available different areas, different pricing levels. So that is the zonal pricing. And the seventh one is expectation pricing. Expectation pricing. The expectation pricing means what are the ingredients they are used and that cost plus we can add some of the profit. So those type of products are maintained the expectation pricing. And the next one is basic pricing. The basic pricing means cost plus profit. Cost plus profit is equal to basic price. So what we are to take the basis here. So what is the manufacturing expenditure and we can collected the profit is equal to we can decided basic pricing. And the ninth one is company policy pricing. Company policy pricing. The company may be decided the pricing like who may be purchased or not purchased. At the time also we standard compulsory maintain these price level like standing pricing levels. So that are the company policy pricing. And the next one is price skimming. Price skimming. So we already discussed this topic. The price skimming means in the initial stage price is very low level and day by day automatically increasing position. So when we want to start up a product, at the time we can follow this strategy. So first we may be increasing the price level, maybe we don't have any sales. So at the time day by day automatically we can decreasing of our sales. That's why we can reduce the price levels. And the next one is price penetration. Price penetration strategy. The price penetration strategy is when the product is initial level in low level, continuously demand created. So when the demand is increases, automatically price also increases. So this is the price penetration pricing strategy. So these are the some of the price strategies followed in different companies. Okay students. So let I repeat once again. The entire pricing strategies are different from one firm to another firm. They follow these strategies like odd price, even price, psychological price, customer expectation price, cost based price, or demand based price, and company policy based price, price skimming, price penetration. So these are the points very important for 10 marks question, and these 2 points are important for 5 marks, price skimming and price penetration. Skimming means first in high level and next is low level, and penetration means first is low level and continuously increasing level. So these are two are the very important for 5 marks. Okay students, thank you for listening. If you have any doubts, send messages or call me. Thank you so much.